So bano bajjako emmotoka. So gano gakifeesi gali mu kujjako emmotoka kati. Gano gakifeesi bali mu kwonoona mmotoka, bali mu gikuba, bali mu gimenya banzijemu. They are now breaking into the car so that they take me out. They are violently breaking the car. They are violently breaking the car. Those are the chiefest people they are using. And those are SFC people. You see? This is what they are doing. This is the chiefest man. This is the chiefest man. Monone. No monone motoka. Mujonone. It's okay mujonone. Monone motoka. Monone. Obalaba. Baba bali mukono na motoka bali mujikuba. Abano bakifeesi. Bali mubikola. Bae bano. Mubalaba bali mukozesa. Bano bakifeesi. Bebo benyini bali mukono ne motoka. Ndoza bali mukono na ogiraba. Bano bakifeesi bali mukozesa. Bona bo bazaalibwa. Be bali mukumenya motoka okulaba nga bajonoona. Aba police balaba baba bayimiridde bali mubalagira. Kubano ba amaje bano be babosi babali. Bali mukujimenya. Kikino sisobola kijja mu kamera kikifeesi. Nekya kikyo kitudde mabega okiri waggulu mu motoka kugundi ku breakdown. Bili mu kwonoona. Bili mu jimenya bajiyingiremu. Kaba bikole byonna bamanyi. Kikino nkiremezza mu kamera kyekino. Era bwe nfa kino kyekinzise. Kaka kantu ke bayingala okunyingizaamu kaako. Katenti naye mu motoka sijja kuvaamu. Kye kitenti kye banyingizizaamu kye bagala okunyingizaamu naye nemedde mu motoka kikyo kifeesi. Sijja kijja ku kamera kikyo. Bagala kunkuba bala kunkolako fujjo lyonna na buli kimu. Mubalaba. Bibyo byetegese munda binkubira omwo bwe bagala okunyingiza mu ekyo ekinankani bibyo bikifeesi birabika ko bya SFC kikyo bali mujimenya emmotoka kikino kitenti kyabwe mwe bakubira abantu mwe basibira abaana mwe bali bangi mbalengedde abaana omwo munda nange mwe bagala okunteeka bibyo ebisirikale bibyo. This is what they want to do to me and this is what they have always been doing to me. But today I've refused to get out of the car so that I'm able to capture some of these moments on phone. Bibyo biri mu kitenti. Obiraba kiche kisajja ekyo. Kikifeesi tekijjako bigaalu bindi tekyaga tulabe maaso gaakyo. Bebano. So bano batiitizi basiru nnyonnyonnyonnyo bibyo mu motoka bibyo mu side mirror. Bibyo. Biraba. Nenze sijja kubitya. Oba banzite yenze Zaake wakiri osanga bananzita abana Uganda vubuka banange banayimuka kuba olunaku lwankya kabanzite leero enkya muyimuke kuba manyi bagenda kujja bamenye emmotoka bali babikozeeko bali bamenye ku mmotoka ya president bali bamenye ku mmotoka ya Dr. Kiza Besigye manyi neno bagenda kujimenya banzijemu banzite oba bankuba oba bansiba oba bankola biki bibagenda okukola bibyo bibali mukola bibyo mujonone you spoil my car munone bibyo bali mujimenya chiche kisajja chichino chicho this is the man doing all the stupidity. This is the man they are using and he's hiding his eyes. Aruya zemu na anyweza galubindi. Let them do whatever they want to do to me. Buli kimu bakikola gugo gutendi gwe bagala okunteka mu bagala okunzitira. That's the tent. That's the tent they want to use. Babikole byonna nze ndi ready. Ndi muno mu motoka nemeddemu sigena kugivaamu. Ndi mu motoka eno ngiremeddemu bakole byonna ebikyamu. Babikole. Musaidi miro galengera. Mwegali agasajja bali mukumenya motoka. Nene motoka ngumu. Chemanyira bwe bunazibira bagenda kuba bajimenye. bagala kunzijamu banzite kuba bulijjo banoonya okunzita ne bannemererwa bankoze buli kimu ne kigaana kati olwaleero baagala kukimaliriza era bankwese eno mu biyumba gye basula eno mu biyumba gye basula eno olengera abakyala baabwe bali eyo eno gye basula so bakole buli kimu obirengera mu side mirror bibyo. They want to kill me, but for me I'm ready. Let them break into the car and kill me and do whatever they want to do, all the nonsense. I will not fear them. Hey, oba nvaako okubanga we banzita eggwanga lino lifune emirembe nze ndi ready. Kuba banzigezeza emirundi mingi nnyo bannemererwa dda. I'm ready to die for this country. I'm ready. Because nze Zaake ate ndi wa generation eno. Bwebanga jinzi ye Kenya abikola. Kati nange nze Geno Zaake. Lisaleko Geno Z. Ndi ready okufiira eggwanga lyange bakole buli kimu. Nesiva mu motoka. Sijivaamu bajimenye babeerabise. Sijivaamu. I will not get out of this car. Chicho face, chicho. Chicho. Ochiraba? Chicho. Bategeke buli kimu sijivaamu. Enze nino omuntu omunene. Sijivaamu. Kuba sina kyenkoze. Bo be baagala okunzita. Kuba musango ki okuyingira ekitebe. Tebatuwandiikidde, tebatubuliddeko. Lwaki baagala okuziba ekitebe bantu gani tebaagala tubeere ku kitebe kyaffe. So bangana bato okuyingira. Kati olwaleero bato winze emmotoka yange ne bagiteeka ku breakdown ne bagireeta wano ku CPS wende we bantadde ku CPS. Nemedde mu mmotoka kubanga mmanyi bye baagala okunkola. Mbimanyi. Kino kitendo kye baagala okunzitiramu kino. I'm also taking a screenshots muzitaking kino kye kitenti mwe baagala okunzitira. Yeno tenti gye baagala okunzitiramu. Kino kirya ne mabegano gye basula ku CPS. Gye kiri. Mbadde simanyi na bulijjo nti gye kiri. This is where they are. This is where they want to kill me from. But I'm strong. I will not fear anything. Even when you look at me, I don't fear them. I know they can do anything to me. I know even tomorrow I may not live. They may kill me tonight. They may kill me this evening. They may kill me this afternoon. But I will not fear anything. I don't fear them. Young people, please get inspired and do this. The president has always been telling us this. President Bobby Wine has always been telling us this. We must do it ourselves. This is our job, the young people. This is the job of the people who are into their teens, the 20s and the 30s. We must do it. We are together. This is the reason as to why I'm the youth leader. I must do this. This is the time for us to do this. Not any other time. This is our time, the young people. Let's do this, please. Let's do it. The more we delay, the more we keep suffering. The more we keep burying our relatives and friends. Our parents. Our grandies. Let's work for them. We are in captivity. We are in a very, very huge economic crisis. Poverty is at its maximum. We can do this, friends. We can do this, fellow young people. Let's do this. This is our time, please. Let's not be suffering alone. Let's not the few suffer physically. I know majority of us, we are suffering, indirectly. But we must come up in large numbers and suffer physically. Because they can't make us suffer, all of us. They can't kill all of us. They can't imprison all of us. They don't have the cells. They don't have the prisons. They can't even handle 1 million people. They can't. We can do this, but the more we sit on ourselves, the more we keep suffering. I mean, this guy don't know what they're gonna be doing to me. I don't know. At least you've seen what they have done to me before. You have seen this, friends. You have seen this before. They have tried to kill me before. I'm into this car. They pepper sprayed it. But I refuse to get out. Because I want to get inspired. Because we can't do this alone. Friends, we can do this together. This can be done. I can be killed today because whenever I'm into their hands, you know what they do to me. You know this. You know what they have been doing to me, friends. We can do this. This is not the time to just sit and watch others to show up. We can show up in large numbers. We can do it, friends. You can't let this one be done by few people. Let's do it when we are very many. Even if they kill us, they can't kill all of us. They can't torture all of us. They have pepper sprayed this car, but I've refused to get out. Because I know this can be done. This is our generation. The young people, this is our job. This is not the job of the old people. This is the job of us, the young people. Let's show up. We can do this. We can. It has been done elsewhere. It can as well be done in also other places. They have pepper sprayed this place. Where I am. They have pepper sprayed it. But let's kuchikola chino. We can. We can, friends. We can. Young people, we can do this. Let's show up tomorrow. Let's show up. Let's show up. Please, let's not be timid. They're lying to us. We can do this. This is where they have put me. This is where they have put me. And they are taking me. They are taking me.